Hello, dear Ekans. How are you all? I hope you're all set and ready for today's class. Before we begin, you please go and get all your grade 1 English resource books and one 4-rule journal. Now keep these books next to you. We will have a look at them after some time. Let us begin today's class with an interesting activity. It is an activity on, tell me what is this? Yes, it is an activity on listening. So you have to listen carefully to my instructions and then you will draw a picture. Simple. Like it? Now smile once if you like it. Very good. But where will you draw this picture? You will draw this picture in your English journal. Your English journal looks like this. It is a 4-ruled book. You already brought one 4-ruled book in the beginning. Now take that book and use it for English from now on. Open that book. Leave the first page. And in the second page, you are going to draw a picture here. But before you do any class task or evening task, you are going to write date in the top left corner. How will you write date? Let us see it on the screen. See, can you see here? On the top left corner, you will write date here. What date is it today? 15th June 2020. And in the next line, write day. What day is it today? Monday. Now, after writing the day, leave some space and write here class task. As we are doing this task during the class, now we have written here class task. Suppose if you are doing any evening task, then what will you write? You will write evening task. Simple. Right? Now you can pause the video and write here. Write this one. Now let us begin drawing. I will say the instructions. You listen carefully. Only when I say pause, then you pause the video, think what I said and then draw the picture. Right? Now here is my first instruction. In the middle of the page, draw a picture of a boy who is standing. He is wearing pants and a long jacket. He is keeping his hands in the pockets of the jacket. Now I am repeating this instruction. In the middle of the page, draw a picture of a boy who is standing. He is wearing pants and a long jacket. He is keeping his hands in the pockets of the jacket. Now pause and draw. Now my second instruction is, he is also wearing a hat and shoes. He is also wearing a hat and shoes. Now pause and draw. Now my third instruction is, his eyes are wide open like this. His eyes are wide open. Pause and draw. Now my last instruction is, color all these things like shoes, pants, jacket, hat, all these things with the colors of your choice. Pause and do that. Done with the picture? Now keep the picture aside. Let us have a look at the books that you brought in the beginning. Okay. See, this is your English model book. You are going to use this book mainly for reading and understanding the things. Now, this is your English grammar book. You will do practice in this. Students, as you have grown up a little more than when you were in PP2, you know in grade 1 you have 2 novels to read. This is the first novel, one of the novels, Best Friends Are Forever. What is the title? Read it. Best Friends Are Forever. And here is another novel, Nate the Great. What is the title? Nate the Great. Hey, wait. Look at this picture. It is looking like the picture that we have just now drawn in the journal. Check. He is also wearing a long jacket, pants, shoes, hat. Isn't it? So we have drawn the picture of Nate already. He must be Nate because the title says Nate the Great, right? By the way, just flip through the pages. Take the book and go through the pages. Flip through them. See how many pictures are there. Almost each page has a picture. This is looking very interesting, right? Are you curious to read this book? I know you are. Even I am also curious to read this book. Let us do one thing. Let us begin our grade 1 classes with novel reading. Right? Okay. Let us have a look at the cover page first. What is there on the cover page? This is the cover page. What is there here? Let me show it here on the screen. See, this is the cover page. What are all there on the cover page? See here, this is the title that we have already seen, Nate the Great. Right? What else is there? See here, something is written in the bottom of the page by Marjorie Weinman Sharmat. So, she is the one who has written this book. Whoever writes a book, he or she is called the author of that book. So, Marjorie Weinman Sharmat is the author of Nate the Great book. In the next line, it is written here, see, illustrated by Mark Simon. Illustrated by Mark Simon. He is the one who drew all the pictures inside this book. Right? See in the corner. See here in the corner, what is there? Read it here. Activities inside. There must be some activities also inside this book, right? This book is sounding very interesting, more and more interesting, right? Now I can see an animal on the cover page. Can you also see? Yes. Here is a cat peeping out through the window, right? I don't know why it is there. Now let us go to the back page. This is the back page. What is there on the back page? See? Something is written here. Okay? And here again Nate is there. See? In the magnifying glass, again Nate is there here. But there is a dog also here. See, on the cover page we saw a cat. Now here is a dog. Are there any cats and dogs also in the story somewhere? Let's find out when we read, okay? And here there are a few books. I think these are also written by the same author. Okay, this is about back page. Next comes reading. But students, as we won't be having enough time today for reading, let us hold on our curiosity till tomorrow and let us start reading from tomorrow. But till then, just think, who is this boy? What does he do? What is he thinking? Whose house is it? Let us see how many questions you will get. If you are more curious, you will get many questions. Right? Now let us see the evening task that you are going to do for today. Your evening task for today is you are going to write lower and upper cases of English alphabet. What you are going to write? You are going to write A to Z both in upper and lower case. Simple, right? You already know them. So that's it for today, students. See you in the next class.